A long time ago, these trees fell and we just cut the path, just a clearance for the ATV. Since then, we've decided we're going to build the cow enclosure down here. So it's time to actually come down and chop these up properly. So I've got the tractor here to help me lift this. Now, I know an experienced guy would cut to the ground, but I don't like getting mud on my chains and I've got to sharpen my chains. So now, while it's dry and I've got the tractor on site, I'm just going to sling it and put some timber on it, under it, and probably take 1.5 meters and 1.5 meters or the one behind it. I'll make my rounds while I've got the tractor. Then I'll go over that side, and looking at it, that's maybe a bit too big. But yeah, because the fence is going to come along down here. So the more I can reclaim that side, more yard the animals are going to get, and the more I can clear this, just means easier access if I've ever got to come through here with a trailer or whatnot. So to answer your question, what is the tractor doing out? It's a dry day today, no rain about. The earth is nice and hard, not slippery, I'm not going to get bogged. I am more confident now I've had the tractor because I've done a few little jobs with it now. So I'm happy enough to come down and tackle this. Having said that, I couldn't move this pile with sticks. But anyway, I'm going to do this manually and you can all have a laugh at me. Then I'm going to sling it, I'm going to try and lift it and chock it and see how we go.